Hi everyone, welcome back to my drawing channel. My name is Connie and I am an artist who loves to design and create unique animal and people characters. Today's video begins with a speech sketch tutorial to give you some ideas on how easy it is for anyone to draw this dog. We will then move on to the marker drawing tutorial. Be sure to watch until the end of this video for more coloring inspiration from my coloring team as well as inspiration for a Christmas dog drawing. Let's start by drawing an oval shape for the dog's head. The dog's head is slightly tilted. You can refer to my sketch if you need help. His eyes sits right along the line that goes across the center of his face. Let's now draw his body. I think this dog looks cuter with a bigger head, so I am using my finger to measure how long I want his body to be. Let's now draw his paws. My sketch tutorial shows an easier way to draw this. Anytime you want to draw your lines at the same height, you can draw an imaginary line across the paper. I hope you enjoyed watching this drawing tutorial. Watch until the end of this video for some inspiration on drawing a candy cane dog. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. Have a beautiful day.